and welcome back to Mom Tech. I firmly believe that a planned mornings are way more effective in subsiding the morning chaos. After having early bathing as my ritual, I start my day. On regular days, it is preparing lunch for the Chiku. To reduce the morning hustle, I generally do some prep the night before. Today, I'll be making some fried rice with veggies of his choice. I also boiled the rice the previous night and stored in the refrigerator. This way, it only takes about 15 minutes of my time to prepare the fried rice. Once the chopping is done, I heat a pan and add some ghee, and for the tadka, add some mustard seeds. Once it starts crackling, add the veggies and let it cook for 5 minutes. I finally chop the veggies as they cook even faster, and with adding a pinch of turmeric, salt and black pepper, I add the rice and give all them a good mix and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes and it's done. I also add some finely chopped curry leaves to give it a nice fragrance, the refreshing taste of the curry leaves. I make it with minimal spices and with the tadka of ghee and rye, it tastes good. While I prepare Chiku's lunch, I heat some water and add cumin seeds to it and make myself some cumin water or jeera pani. I have started this soon after my postpartum period, and since then it's my morning ritual to drink this water every morning. Sometimes I replace cumin seeds with fennel or ajwain. As my water is boiling, I also side by side ghee roast some makhanas to give him in his lunch box. And in 20 minutes, I am about to finish the cooking for his lunch and my water is ready too. Now it's time to wake up Chiku and get him ready for the school. I quickly woke him and make the bed as the first thing and take him to the bathing. With kids, you can never be sure about the time because it all depends on their mood. Sometimes the smallest thing takes so much of time. So I always try and have some extra time on my hand to make sure he reaches the school on time and don't get late. Once he is ready, I'll quickly assemble all the things in his lunch box. I tend to pack his lunch box after he is ready as it will avoid the food becoming soggy and forming that water droplets inside the tiffin box. Once I am back from dropping Chiku to school, I have my cumin water. After all the morning hustle, I sit back and enjoy my me time sipping on cumin water. I generally enjoy it outside, but today, being the rainy day, I also have to plan my home course accordingly. It always feels so good when it rains, so I just had my quick breakfast of oats and milk while enjoying the rain and the view. After having a quick breakfast, I sat down to plan my day. As it is raining, so there are many things that I can't do today, so I figure out my day accordingly and plan and prioritize the things accordingly for the whole day. No matter how much I organize, but kids' toys and books are one thing that always need help. I quickly collect things that was lying around the living room and place it back where they are supposed to be. This is an unending task that I do almost every day, so planning other chores help me to maintain this balance. And the time when my kid is not around home enables me to do chores and finish things on time. As once he is back home, a mother's duty becomes a priority, other things take a back seat. So yeah, I try and finish things and do as much chores as possible in that span of time. It's raining outside and the garden plants are getting the shower. So I also don't want to skip on my indoor plants. Having plants indoors definitely adds on to the responsibility to maintain and take care of them regularly. Also, during the monsoon season, it's the best time for plants to flourish and grow, and it gives me immense happiness to see these plants grow a little every day. The other day, I went for a monthly grocery shopping and left with some utility things that are yet to be organized. While adding and storing things in the initial days of every month gives me freedom from shopping things at the very last moment. I carry this foldable bag every time when I went for groceries. It's so handy to use and store. And once folded, it turns to a cute little bag. I just can't resist seeing cute little things and they like attract me and I ended shop them. Do anyone of you also have this same habit of shopping, seeing the cute little things? Do let me know in the comments. While storing the things, I also check upon the things that are needed to be refilled, so I ended up filling this cleaner bottle. Purchasing this type of refilling packets is budget friendly too. After quickly arranging all the things at their place, I quickly do dusting around the most used spaces as these are the ones that require our constant attention. I decide different rooms on different days of week. Today I decided to do dusting around this guest bedroom as it is not used on daily basis. I dust it only on the days when I don't have other tasks on priority. This way I manage between different tasks at home. There's only some time left when Chiku will arrive soon, so I prepared sabzi for the lunch so that when he came home I quickly serve him food. I like using more of seasonal and locally available veggies as these are rich in nutrients and are also budget friendly. Today I am making kakoda or spiny gourd sabzi which is locally available in this rainy season. This is very healthy and nutritious that also helps you to keep your check on your weight. In oil, add some oil and other spices as mentioned under. And this sabzi is quickly ready within 15 minutes. To go along with the sabzi, I am grating some cucumber for raita. It's really easy and quick and also tastes good. For the tadka, I'll be adding some mustard seeds in oil along with some curry leaves and finely chopped green chili. And once it's crackled, add the tadka to the curd and your raita will be ready. It is the best raita that you can make on the go. As the food is ready, so it Chiku's back. So it's time for us to have some lunch and I quickly assembled the lunch and served. In the morning, I also made some paneer out of the milk and I have kept it to set. And now it's ready, so I'll be keeping it into the refrigerator to set. I really like this paneer maker as it really removes all the excess liquid from the paneer and also gives a nice shape. In my previous videos, I have shown how I make paneer at home. If you want to see, I link it in the description. You can go and check it. After the afternoon meal, it's time to arrange the kitchen once again. So I am quickly arranging all the stuff at their place, making it tidy once again before moving to the next task. I have left some laundry that is needed to be folded and kept at their place. After the afternoon meals, I tend to feel a little lazy, so to boost my energy levels, I listen to some music and that keeps me going to finish my remaining course. And within no time, I realize that I just have finished the task without getting bored or delaying the task to the next day. I generally listen to music or watch TV while doing these kind of mundane tasks that seems to make me bored. I would like to know how you deal with such boring and mundane tasks that we have to do on a daily basis. Do let me know in the comment section box. It really feels great to complete the to-do list that I have created in the morning and I have finished off all the chores by the afternoon. So yeah, this also keeps me going and keeps me energized on a daily basis. After the all afternoon work, I'm here in the kitchen once again to grab my tea or coffee. As it is raining since morning, so I have decided to make some tea for myself and boost my energy levels to continue for the later part of the afternoon. As my tea is ready, so am I to grab my tea and to enjoy it with some healthy nuts. This way I refuel myself for the later part of the day. and continue to do the work related to my work and other things. So guys, this was my morning to afternoon, that too on a rainy day. If you are also into cooking, homemaking and trying new things at home, then do follow my channel Mom Tech for more such videos. I'll see you next week. Bye guys, take care. Mom Tech signing off.